So be emphasis on that. This also right, this also right. Okay, this type of questions, one or two are coming in the AIMS. Okay, now come on next. Now next is Morgan conducted. Okay, next question is Morgan conducted dihybrid cross by considering Morgan conducted dihybrid cross by taking characters eye color and wing size and experimentally found the percentage of parental combination sorry, parental combination and recombinants. Okay, so this is asking what already we seen. This is cross B. Cross A, what was that? Body color and eye color. And in cross B, what was that? Eye color and wing size. Okay, so what is the percentage here that came? Here first option is PC and RC. Okay, first option is 60-40. Next option PC RC. Okay, here given 30-70. Third option given 62.8% and RC 37.2% and D was none. Okay, this is in percentage. So what the percentage experimentally proved? So that was came parental was 62.8%, yesterday we seen, and recombinants was 37.2%. So like that questions are coming. Okay, now next we have to see the next topic, that is sex determination. Okay, so come on that sex determination. Next topic is sex determination. Now, how this sex is determined, confined. Okay, how that get that it will be male, it will be female. Okay, that is having what? That is depends on sometime environmental factors. Sometimes they are depending on hormonal factors. Okay, so first we have to come on that on the basis of environment. Okay, we have to see under that types of sex determination. So first we have to see in the types of sex determination. First is environmental determination of sex. So types, under that we have to see first type is environmental determination of sex. Means that depends on what? what the environment is getting. Okay, here example is marine mollusk crapidula. So for example, marine mollusk clapidula. Okay, this marine mollusk clapidula becomes a female when reared alone. It becomes female when reared alone. Okay, and this clapidula becomes male when reared with other adult partner. Okay, so this is what environmental factor, female when reared alone and become a male when other their adult partner are with them. Now again also marine worm Bonellia. So another example, this example you have to remember, marine worm Bonellia. Okay, marine worm Bonellia. Okay, now it turns female if isolated. It is what? Same. Turns female when in isolation and turns male when keep together with proboscis of female. Okay, so this is what? This is environmental determination of sex. Okay, next type is non-allosomic. Okay, non-allosomic genetic determination of sex. So come on that. Non-allosomic determination of sex. Non-allosomic determination of sex. Now here what happened? In bacteria, sex determination done by what? Fertility factor, F plus or F minus. So what we can say? In bacteria, sex determination is by fertility factor. Fertility factor, that is F. Okay, now if F positive is there, in that condition male bacteria, and if F negative means absent, in that condition female bacteria. Okay, so this is non-allosomic determination of sex. Okay, example is important that you have to remember. Now next is genic balance concept of sex determination. Genic balance concept of sex determination. Genic balance concept of sex determination. Okay, now This genic balance determination, this was given by Bridges. So this concept was given by Bridges by taking example of Drosophila melanogaster, and we know their common name fruit fly. Okay, so this concept was given by which scientist? That scientist name is Bridges. Okay, that you have to remember, that genic balance concept of sex determination given by Bridges. Okay, now this theory, this concept telling that sex is determined in a Drosophila by ratio of X chromosome. X means autosomes. So by ratio of X chromosome, and other is what? Autosome. Okay, two types of chromosome is there, X and Y. It is known as allosome, and rest is known as autosome. So what it is telling here, Y chromosome don't have any beneficiary activity. This shows only what? They shows fertility factor, means they sterile is there. If Y factor is there, Y chromosome is there. So sterile or present means fertile, absent means sterile, and another no significance here. And what I told, the ratio between X by autosomes determined what? The sex of Drosophila. So this concept tell according to this concept, according to this concept, sex determination in Drosophila is found by the ratio of X chromosome, that is allosome, with autosome. Okay, so what will be the ratio of these two will decide the Drosophila sex, whether it will be male, whether it will be female. Okay, why? Here Y chromosome don't have significance, have significance except the sterile or fertile character. Means what I am telling, Y chromosome don't have role in sex determination of Drosophila. Okay, now if Y chromosome present, if Y chromosome present, Drosophila will be fertile. Okay, Y chromosome absent, male Drosophila will be sterile. So it will be fertile male and it will be a sterile male. Only this is the rule. Okay. Now, come on. He given some constitution on the basis of that and determine the sex of Drosophila. So that sex ratio and their constitution and their index you have to remember. Okay. So come on that. chromosome constitution. Okay, in one column chromosome constitution, another column X by A autosome ratio, and another column sex index. What will come? Okay, now if chromosome constitution is found AA plus triple X. Okay, they are founding what? AA plus triple X. Okay, so here X by A ratio will be what? X is 3, A is 2. So what will be the answer? Here will come 1.5. So if 1.5 will coming, in that condition sex index will be super female. Super female. Okay, that Drosophila will be found as what? Super female. Now, next is AA plus XX. In that condition, 2 by 2. So, what will be the value? That is coming 1. Now, this is what? Female. Female. So, second condition is if constitution is AA plus XX, that will come female. Okay. Next is triple A plus XXY. Triple A plus XXY. And already we know that Y don't have any role in sex determination. So what will the value here? 2 by A is 3. So this will be like that, it will come. So less than 1 it is coming. Now this is showing intersex. Intersex means in between male and female. Okay, so this is the third condition that what we have to see. Okay, next is AA plus XY. AA plus XY. Here X by A ratio 1 by 2. What will be the result? 0.5. What is that? 0.5. Now, since Y came, so it will come normal male. Normal male means it will happen what? Fertile. Okay. Next condition is there AA plus X naught. AA plus X naught means Y chromosome not present. 1 by 2. It is male, but what will their significance? Sterile. So sterile male will be there when their Y chromosome will be absent due to some accidental case or others. Okay, so chromosome constitutions are there. Now another is triple A plus XY. Okay, triple A plus XY. Here what will come? 1 by 3. So what will be the result? 0.33 means less than 0.5. Now this is known as a super male. Okay. Now questions are asking from either they will give X by A ratio, either they will give chromosome constitution, and then they will ask what is the sex index of Drosophila. Okay, fruit fly. fruit fly. Okay, so this all you have to remember. Okay, mostly I have seen that this male sterile is there, a plus x or not condition, that I have seen mostly in the paper. Okay, but anything they can ask. Okay, so this is the table that you have to remember. Okay, now one common concept you can understand from that, what are the outcomes are these from this table. So we have to see that. In one line, if you want to say, so if x by a ratio greater than 1, x by a ratio greater than 1, in that condition what we seen, they express super femaleness. This is what? Super femaleness. X by a ratio greater than 1, then super femaleness. If it is 1, x by a is equal to 1, then femaleness character that we seen, x by a equal to 1, then femaleness character. If between 0.5 and 1, x by a equal to between 0.5 to 1, x by a 0.5 to 1, in that case it is what? Intersex. If x by a is equal to 0.5, in that condition it is male. Okay, it is what? Male. If x by a is less than 0.5, then it will be super male. So these you have to give attention while asking question. Okay, so this is the summary of genic balance theory or concept. Now some terms are coming here. What are the terms are there that we have to see? First is a gynandromorph. Gynandro. Okay, gyne, you know, gyne doctor. So gyne means female and androsia matlab means male. Okay, so gynandromorph, what we can say? A sex mosaic in which individual contain one half body male and one half body female. So what we can say? A sex mosaic in which the organism contain half body is of male and another half is of female. Okay, so that is known as what? Gynandromorph. And where it is seen? It is commonly seen in silk moth. So for example, silk moth. Okay, this is the example for gynandromorph. Okay, now this gynandromorph is created due to loss, or we can say accidental loss of X chromosome. Okay, that you don't know about that, but you have to remember that gynandromorph is in which organism half body is male and half is female. An example is silk moth. Now another term is there. Another term is there, that is a gynander. Okay, here what? Another term is gynander. Gynender. Now, here is what a gynender may be male or female. If male is there, then patches of tissues of another part means female characters will be there. So what we can say, a gynender may be male or female. Okay, it may be male or female, but what happens? But containing patches of tissues of other sex. But containing patches of tissues of another sex on it. Okay, in that condition it is known as what? Gynender. Okay, now next we have to see that chromosome sex determination. Okay, what is that? Chromosomal sex determination. But before entering into that, we have to know that this sex determination on the basis of fertilization, how many types are there, that we have to see. So come on that. On the basis of fertilization, sex determination is of following types. Okay, on the basis of fertilization, sex determination is of following types. Now, the first type is known as progamic. What is that? Progamic. So first is progamic. As a term suggests, pro means before. Okay, pro means before. So sex is determined before fertilization. Here, sex is determined before fertilization. So that process is known as what? Progamic. Okay. Now example is drone in honeybee. For example, drone in honeybee. So that is progamic. Now next is syngamic. Syn means duration. Okay. So it is syngamic. Syngamic. Here, sex is determined during fertilization. Okay, what I told here, sex is determined during fertilization. For example, most of the plants and animals. Most of the plants and animals. Okay, one more type is there, that is known as epigamic. Come on that. Epigamic. Okay, epi means what? After. So sex determination determined or takes place after fertilization. So what we can say? Sex determination takes place after fertilization. Okay, sex determination takes place after fertilization. For example, female in honeybee. Female in honeybee. Okay, example are important. You have to see that. Okay, now we already know that X chromosome are there, Y chromosome are there. Okay, so who discovered that one? So we have to know. Okay, now X chromosome or X body, okay, discovered by Hanking. This you have to remember. X chromosome or X body discovered by Hanking. Okay, scientist name is Hanking. Now, this discovered in testis of male bug. Okay, where discovered by Hanking in the testis of male bug. This you have to remember. X chromosome or X body discovered by which scientist? Hanking. And where it discovered? In the testis of male bug. Okay. Now, the sex chromosome discovered by McCulloch in grasshopper. Sex chromosome discovered by McCulloch in grasshopper. Okay, sex chromosome discovered by which scientist? McCulloch in grasshopper. Okay, now next is what? Y chromosome. So Stevens, Y chromosome was discovered by Stevens. Okay, so Y chromosome was discovered by which scientist? Stevens. Okay, and one scientist more was there, Wilson. So Wilson and Stevens proposed what they proposed? Chromosomal theory of sex determination. What I told? Wilson and Stevens proposed chromosomal theory of sex determination. Okay, don't be confused. Chromosomal theory of inheritance given by Batson and Punnett, and Wilson and Stevens given what? Chromosomal theory of sex determination and inheritance, Batson and Punnett. Okay, now here different types of sex determination were there, and what was that? That we have to see one by one. Okay, come on that. Now, in sex determination types, okay, first is XXXY type, or that is known as ligous type. So first is XX or XY type, or ligous type. Okay, ligous type. Now here what happened in this type, the female, okay, the female is homogametic. What is that? Homogametic means same type of sex chromosome, XX. So here female is homogametic.